Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. And here we are today, another fall makeup look. I told you guys, I'm just into it at the moment. I don't know why. But that's just the way it is, right? So I hope that you will enjoy this video. I did put foundation, concealer, powder, did my brows, pillow is base on, and I want to finish off the face with you. And now let's do the eyes, and I want to use this palette again, the Ace Beauté Classical Paradise palette. I talked to you about this palette before on my channel. I did a tutorial using this palette. So if you want to check out this one, I will put it right here on the description box below. And I think I talked about it in one of my favorites of the month, but I don't remember which one. But I love this palette. I love this palette. I told you before, I think the packaging is absolutely stunning. I love the color story. It's so different of what we are used to see. Can I say that? Is that correct? It is different than what we are, of that we used to see. Oh God. Anyway, you understood. I hope. But I love the color story. The pigmentation is really there. So it's really a brand that, I mean, I only tested this product from this brand, but it's a brand that I want to go for again in the future. You know what I mean? To test it out even more. I will begin with the color Rye. And I will place the color right here in the inner corner, but above the crease. C'est joli ce que tu dis. C'est très joli ce que tu dis. I will continue with the color Maize right here, the yellow. I think it's a perfect palette for fall. What do you think? We have green, we have orange, deeper yellows, berries colors, just... Am I stupid or am I stupid? I said the yellow and I'm going into the khaki. I said yellow. As you can see, I'm just following my eyebrows. And then I'm just gonna buff around. Now I'm going with the khaki, the golden apple, and I will put that under in the crease. Okay, I cut the crease right here, and then using this product from Suva Beauty, it's in the color Space Panda, it's just white. You have to put some water in it to activate the product, and then I did like a liner. It's my second time using this product, so I still have to get used to it. At the beginning I put a little bit too much water, so it was too watery in the eyes, and I have only this brush. I have to invest in a liner brush because it is a little bit fat. It's still okay, but you know, it's not really super precise as I want it to be, but I think it will work nonetheless. I did this white liner because I want to use a shimmer on top, and I really wanted this shimmer to be reflective and, you know, have a great intensity. And I want to use this color, Mineral. It's gorgeous. When you look at it, I have the impression every time that it is kind of a silver color as you look at it just in front. But when I swatch it, how would you describe this color? but I like it. So I'm gonna place this color in the liner, except at the beginning, the inner corner, where I will use the color Burley. It's more on the gold side, right here. Lovely. Okay, let's begin with Burley, actually. And I will place the color directly into the liner. This is so lovely. And then I am taking the color Mineral and I will just continue the line. For the end, I'm just gonna use a flat, precise brush. I don't know if it's pretty or not, you tell me, but let's do on the other eye what I did on this eye. But I put the Suva Beauty Space Panda. And I put it right under the waterline, make the eye appear bigger. Then I took the precise brush and taking the yellow, I wanted to do different shape that I'm used to. So at the moment I'm just following the white, and then right here I did a little going down, and same on the other V. I am going down. Something like that. Then with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm just taking the yellow again, and now that I have the shape, I'm just, adding some yellow, so it's just more visible, With an even more precise brush, I'm taking the khaki, and I'm just placing the color right under the white, but staying in the other V. Right here. And then I took the Makeup Geek nude liner and I put it on the waterline, and I put it in the white as well. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of the khaki and following the yellow right here, so it's less alone here. Oh, that's pigmented. I don't know if it's pretty or not. I have no idea. Just wanted to try something different. It's not one of my best look. I tried to put some liner right here to do like false lashes, but it wasn't pretty at all. So I had to clean up and try to put the colors back. And the lashes right here in the inner corner, they just don't want to stay put. And on the lighter that we did at the beginning, I ended up putting the color Barley all over because we don't see the tail. This just... So I'm not like really upset, but I'm a little bit disappointed. For the lips, I will use the color Clinique Intense Blush for lip liner. And on top I will put the Sephora, it's the Lip Stories in the color Malt Shake. I think it's a great color for fall. I honestly don't know what to think about this look. Tell me down below if you like it or not. I still don't know. I really like the color though in the inner corner and the liner. I think it's really a beautiful shimmer. But nonetheless, that's a look. I hope that you did like it. If you did like the video, please put a thumbs up. That really helps me. Share with a friend who loves makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.